Okay, let's talk about Valentine's Day. The roses, the chocolates, the couples everywhere. It's easy to feel out of sync, especially if you find yourself, well, alone. But what if I told you that being alone this Valentine's Day isn't just okay? It's actually a strategic win. Yes, you heard that right. You're not just surviving Valentine's, you're actually winning it. And in this video, we'll see exactly why. Get ready to change your perspective. This isn't about pity, it's about power. Most people spend Valentine's Day focusing outwards on a partner, on expectations, on proving their love. But when you're single, you have a priceless resource, undivided attention. This isn't just about time, it's about mental and emotional bandwidth. No pressure to plan the perfect date, no anxiety about gift giving, no trying to understand someone else's mood. All that energy, all that focus is yours. Think about it. What could you truly accomplish if you directed 100% of your energy towards your dreams, your well-being? It's a rare gift in our increasingly distracted world. Absolute self-devotion without guilt or compromise. This isn't just about avoiding the downsides of a relationship. It's about harnessing the power of being truly centered. It's a day for deep self-reflection, not just distraction. It's about building you. And the time you spend on yourself now will multiply its returns later. This focused energy is a competitive advantage. While others are split, you are whole. Every minute, every thought, every ounce of effort you invest today is a direct upgrade to your future self. This is about removing the noise and truly hearing your own voice, your own desires. What would you prioritize if you had absolutely no external obligations for a day or even a week? This Valentine's, you have the luxury of making that what if a reality, and the result is a stronger, clearer, more potent you. That, my friend, is an undisputed win. While others are exploring relationship dynamics, you're on a unique journey of self-discovery. Being alone often pushes you to confront yourself in ways a relationship doesn't. You get to truly understand your values, your non-negotiables, your deepest desires without the filter of another person's preferences. This clarity is incredibly powerful. It means you're defining your happiness on your own terms. You're nurturing your own inner landscape, making it vibrant and resilient. No need to compromise on what you watch, where you eat, or how you spend your free time. This freedom isn't just about convenience. It's about creating your identity with serious focus. This intense period of self-focus isn't selfish. It's foundational. It's how you build a life that authentically reflects you. You're evolving faster, more deliberately. Every decision, every choice is solely geared towards your highest good. You're learning resilience, independence, and how to soothe your own soul. These are invaluable life skills that no relationship can truly teach you. This Valentine's, you're gaining an irreplaceable connection with yourself. It's a powerful investment, and it will pay dividends long after the last rose has withered. You're becoming the most interesting, most grounded version of you, and that, my friend, is a true win. A foundation for limitless future growth. Every step you take in self-discovery pushes your path forward. You are literally becoming a better you for you. When you're not trying to understand your partner's schedule or interests, your passions can truly take flight. This Valentine's Day is your permission slip for unadulterated self-indulgence. Have you ever wanted to spend an entire day lost in a creative pursuit? Go for it. Dreamed of solo travel, even if it's just to a new part of your city? The world is your oyster. No compromises, no negotiations, just pure, unadulterated you time. This isn't just about doing what you want. It's about discovering new layers of enjoyment and fulfillment that might be dormant when you're always considering someone else. Perhaps you find joy in solitude, in quiet reflection, or in pushing your own boundaries. This is the time to explore those frontiers. You're building a rich inner world, a reservoir of experiences and self-satisfaction that doesn't depend on external validation. And hey, being single doesn't mean being alone in the literal sense. It means you have the freedom to create connections that truly uplift you. Spend time with friends who energize you, family who cherish you, or even engage with communities that align with your passions. These connections, built on shared interests and genuine care, are often more fulfilling than a superficial romantic one-day celebration. So, unleash your unfiltered passions. Embrace the adventure of you. This path is uniquely yours, unhindered and exciting. What an incredible opportunity to truly live out loud on your own terms. Here's where the winning truly shines. This period of intense self-focus isn't just for today, it's an investment in your entire future. You can dedicate undivided attention to your financial health, career advancement, and personal goals. No compromises, no diverting resources. Imagine the progress you can make on that side hustle, that savings goal, or that ambitious career move. When your energy isn't split, you're building a solid, independent foundation for your life. This means you'll enter any future relationship or continue to thrive independently from a position of strength, not need. When you are whole and complete on your own, you become a magnet for genuinely healthy connections. This Valentine's Day isn't about wishing for someone else. It's about becoming the person you truly want to be for yourself. You're planting seeds for a lifetime of abundance, not just a day of superficial romance. This self-sufficiency is your superpower. It gives you the freedom to choose, to say yes to what truly serves you and no to anything that doesn't. You're the captain of your own ship, charting your own course. Every step builds a stronger bridge to your future. You're literally architecting the life of your dreams. In a world that constantly pushes us to do more, be more, Valentine's Day as a single person offers a unique invitation, permission to simply be. This is your prime opportunity for radical self-care. No need to impress, no need to perform, just pure nurturing of your body, mind, and soul. Indulge in that long bath. Read that book you've been meaning to. Take that extra long walk in nature. Cook your favorite meal or order exactly what you want. Prioritize sleep. Listen to your body. This isn't just about feeling good for a day. It's about building sustainable habits of self-love and self-respect. You're replenishing your emotional reserves, fortifying your mental strength, and boosting your physical vitality. This focused self-care prevents burnout and allows you to show up as your best self in all areas of your life. It's an act of deep reverence for yourself, and that is perhaps the most powerful form of winning there is. You're creating the most important relationship you'll ever have, the one with you. This creates a deep well of inner peace and resilience. Every act of self-care is a declaration of your own worth. Claim this space, cherish this time, and emerge refreshed and revitalized. While Valentine's Day focuses narrowly on romantic love, being single allows you to broaden your definition of love and connection. This is a day to celebrate the rich tapestry of love in your life, the unwavering support of friends, the comfort of family, the joy of pets. These are connections that sustain us, nourish us, and often provide more consistent happiness than fleeting romance. You can express love through acts of kindness, volunteering, or simply being present for those who matter to you. This expands your capacity for compassion and empathy, making you a more connected, loving human being overall. You're not limited to one type of love, you're open to all of it. And perhaps most importantly, you're practicing self-love, which is the foundation for all other forms of love. When you can truly love and accept yourself, you never truly feel alone. This Valentine's, you're not missing out on love. You're expanding your capacity to give and receive it in its truest, most authentic forms. That's a powerful win, isn't it? To have such a rich and diverse emotional life, your network of care is wide and robust. And finally, for those who do desire a romantic relationship in the future, this period of being single on Valentine's is actually preparing you for something truly extraordinary. You're not just passing time. You're becoming the kind of person who attracts genuinely healthy, fulfilling connections. You're developing a magnetic presence. By focusing on your growth, passions, and well-being, you draw in compatible souls. You're not desperate. You're not settling. You're building a life so rich and vibrant that only someone truly exceptional can enhance it. You're raising your standards not out of arrogance, but out of a deep understanding of your own worth. Future relationships will be built on mutual respect, shared values, and two whole individuals choosing to journey together rather than two halves seeking completion. This Valentine's Day, you're not waiting for love, you're becoming it. And that, my friend, is the ultimate win. The foundation for an incredibly powerful partnership. You're cultivating the rarest and most beautiful love of all, self-love. This inner radiance is your true calling card. So, as the world drowns in red and pink this Valentine's, remember this. You are not just surviving, you are thriving. You are not just alone. You are carefully building a life of profound fulfillment. This isn't a day for pity. It's a day for pride. Pride in your independence, your growth, your unwavering commitment to yourself. You are winning, period. So go ahead, celebrate your singlehood, spoil yourself, invest in yourself, and know that you are laying the groundwork for an incredibly powerful, abundant future. What's one thing you're going to do for you this Valentine's Day? Let us know in the comments below. If this made sense with you, hit that like button, subscribe for more empowering and inspirational content, and share this message with anyone who needs to hear it. You are powerful, you are enough, and you are absolutely winning.